What's good, guys? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? It's Sunday. Tomorrow the market opens, right? And this one kind of like wait, before that. If you're new on this channel, guys, subscribe to this channel. Here is Big FX, right? Here we share ideas, right? On the chat, what we kind of like expecting, trades we anticipating, right? Um, Trade results, right? I place a trade, right? How it goes. I break down the trade, what I saw before I enter, what made me enter, if it was a loss, alright, what was our mistake, what was the lesson, if it was a TP, the same thing, what was the lesson, right? So that we can capitalize, right? So yes, guys, if you're new here, I'll urge you to hit that subscribe button, subscribe, right? And guys, so today let's jump into today's video. I sure you know Sunday, you know just a few an hour, or it's currently 9:23 here. There's some about a few minutes before the market open here in Ghana, right? So yeah, hey guys, let's just jump into the charts. Let's do our pre-market analysis right before the market opens, and let's see what we've got. All right guys, so this is my chart, you can see, right? But before I start anything, let's just uh, head on to, you know, we just clean everything, right? Let's go on the monthly, right? Let's go on the monthly, look on the monthly. Yo, you can see, how price looks on the monthly, right? Guys, and as you can see, we are bullish. We are bullish on the monthly. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So we're expecting a higher high, right? We are bullish on the month. Let's come down to the weekly, right? So guys, you can start from the weekly, but so I just kind of like prefer to kind of start from the monthly, right? So guys, as you can see, we're on the daily. This is the daily, and with the daily too, you guys can see that whoa, with the daily there's a little twist to it. High, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher low, right? So now we are expecting our higher high and our higher low and our higher high, right? So on the daily we are also bullish. Now that's the weekly, weekly. Sorry guys, sorry, sorry. Right now we're now on the daily, the daily. You guys can also see we are bullish on the daily. You can see here we also have our higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? Daily we are bullish. Now guys, let's come to the 4 hour, right? You can see I already have my charts marked up, right? I have my charts marked up, right? Yeah, you can see I have it marked up. This is the 4 hour, right? And then right here guys, you can see we have this rectangle here, right? It's a zone, which is we all know as well an area of interest. Alright, why is it an area of interest? First up here, right? second tap here, and our third tap here. Alright, so three or more taps makes it an area of interest. Alright, now we day trade, you don't swing, right? So let's come down to the 1 hour, right? The 1 hour. So here guys, in the 1 hour, you can see that we also have an area of interest here. Guys, an area of interest can act as a support, resistance, supply, demand, right? Don't make people confuse you, like trying to say supply and demand is a different thing. Yeah. Guys, as you can see for yourself clearly, this is also acting as the same support and resistance, supply and demand, you guys will call it, right? But let's just get into the video. We have our first touch here. Let me just drop it for you. First touch here. We have the second one, the second one here. We have the third one here. And we have the fourth one here, and the fifth one here, right? So that you guys can see how strong this area of interest is, right? And here we are already bullish, right? But on the 4 hours there is a twist, right? You guys can see that we had our higher high, higher low, higher high, right? Higher high. And guys, price was just ranging, and price suddenly came to break this higher low. It turned into a lower low, right? Price came back, this became a lower low, and this became a lower high right here. Price came back and break it, so there was a change of character. So here was a higher high, here was a higher low, higher high, and price break it again, making it a lower low, and the previous higher high, a lower high, and we now have our lower high here. So we should be expecting our lower low, right guys? So what we are expecting this week is either market or breaks, right? Breaks this lower low, give us a new lower high, and continues its moves down, right? Sorry for that. Sorry for that. Sorry. We should be here. No, we should be here, right? And guys, yeah, this is with UJ. Where's the JPY? You can also see that we have an area of interest here. Right, first, second, uh, third touch, and our fourth touch, right? And right now we are bearish on UJ on the 1 hour. We are bearish on the 1 hour. We are bearish on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, on the 4 hour we are bullish, right? On the 4 hour we are bullish. Yeah, unless price comes and breaks this uh, higher low and gives us a new lower high and continues the move downward, right? So right now on the 1 hour, on the daily too, with this, let me just clear this for so you guys can have a clearer view, right? You can even see on the daily we are bullish, on the 4 hour we are bullish, right? On the 4 hour we are bullish. So Right now, we're just gonna move with what we have, right? Bearish on the we are bearish on the 1 hour, so it's either price has already drawn, gives us these moves, right? You can see with this I have here, either price gives us this move, breaks above, gives us a higher low and higher high, or breaks below and gives us a lower low, lower high, and continues down, right? So this is what I'm looking out for also on UJ, guys. So let's see what the week has for us. So yeah, guys, you guys saw what, you know, my setups and everything, what I'm expecting for the week, right? uh Kind of uh just all about being patient, right? That's what we are looking out for right now, just being patient, and expecting, price to come and tap our zone so that we can react, right? So yeah, that's just it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did. If you did, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up so that this video can be recommended to other people, right? If you have any question, you want to share ideas, just put in the comment section, and I'll show you know, guys. I love you very much, and yeah, peace out.